So hey guys, welcome to Coding with Divya channel, and today I'm going to be showing how to make a contact form. But just gonna making a basic contact form, but I'm gonna be I'm gonna be connecting it with Gmail through a website called Formspree. Okay, there's no backend work. There's not going to be any node.js or any API. There's going to be API work, but in HTML only. So let's start. So first of all, I made these two two files, index.html and index.css. So index.html, I'm gonna make the boilerplate. Then I'm gonna give it the name of contact form. Sorry. Then I'm gonna go in body, and first of all I'm going to be making a section. Then in section I'm going to be making a form, but for now I'm just gonna leave it blank in our form. Now we are going to make another div called form group, in which our all contents are going to be there. So first of all, label. In label we are going to first name for, then I'm gonna input. And input I'm gonna be type, sorry, text. Their first name will be text only. Then I'm going to be placeholder. uh, Enter your first name, and also I'm going to give it a value. Okay, value also I'm going to give it a first name. So I'm just gonna copy this full div, and we are going to duplicate it three times more. So there will be first name, last name, email and message. Okay, so let me change it. Then in the message group we are going to delete the input, because we don't want, like, we don't want input. We want text area. Okay, so I'm just gonna give the text area uh, message, and here also, sorry guys, message. Okay, um so this is our, let us see how it looks. So this is how now it looks. There's no styling in it. I'm gonna add now styling of it. So first of all, let me add the our CSS file. uh, no, sorry, index dot. Now I have imported one font from Google. Let me show you that font. It's so very, like, I like that font. So the name of the font is, I think, Potter One. The name of the font is Potter One, and this is how it looks. It looks very like, I love this style. So I'm just gonna select the style, and you can import that style. Okay, from, if you want to add it in your HTML link or in your CSS, you have to import. Okay, so I've imported, and I'm gonna be copying style, and let's make our, sorry, let's make our universal margin 0, padding 0, and I'm gonna add font in all our edge on our contact form. So I've just copied that. So let us see. It looks good. Okay, I love this font. So this was our thing. So now our main work is in section. So I will choose the section, and first of all we will give the following width 100%, then height 100 view height. Then I'm gonna give it a background color of light blue. Okay, then I'm going to like first of all display flex, then justify content center, align it, sorry, not this, align item center. So it should be in center. Now this is in center. There is nothing around it. So we align. So this is how it looks. I know that there's nothing padding between them. There's nothing like box around them. There these are not in align, like these are not in line. So I will add all these things. So first then I'm gonna choose my container class. Okay, then I'm going to give it a width of 500, not width, the width of 90%. Okay, then I'm going to give it off, then I'm going to be give it the margin 0 and auto. Then going to be given max width 500 pixels. Then going to give it a box shadow. Okay, box shadow will be 0 2 pixel and 5 pixel, and I'm going to give it a color of um, this is that color. So this is the line I was talking when you click line. So let us choose. Now we are going to choose two items in our form group. We are going to choose our input and also the form group text area. Okay, in which our message is there. So in both I'm going to give it a width of 100%. Okay, so and I'm going to give it a padding of 5 pixel and a font size of, I'm going to get off, I think 12 pixel is enough. Okay, so let us see if I write something. Okay, and now there's these all are in a line. Okay, now we just have to know how to add that. So in a new tab I'm going to be um, search formspree.io. Okay, so this is the website where you can use your own, like there's written use your own front end code, submit to our API, we will handle the rest. So that we don't have to, you like many people don't know back end, and I know that I have so there's there is a website like forms where you can just add your like, let me just show you. So I will make a new form. I will make a, and you have to log in also. Okay, contact form, and I'm going to email, like this is my email, so I'm just going to fill the our form is created. And okay, then this is the, like you have to in which our form was used, right? I have told you that there we have to make a form here, right? But we don't have to, like nothing. So now we have to give the action. So in action we have to give our like what is our end key. You will get your end point, matlab you will get your end link. There will be a link when you make a form. Okay, I will just add link in my, and also I will give it a of method of post, because uh because sorry, because one person is posting this message or anything to his email. Okay, so this is it. Let us test this. Okay, I will I'll put my name, then last name, then I'm going to be my email. Okay, then I will make a message. Hi. Okay, and also sorry, I just forgot to make a button. Oh shit, sorry. I just really forgot to make a button. I want to make a button and I have to give it a submit. Okay, so this will be it. I just want to give it a style. Just 2 minutes. I want to give it a style to my button. Uh, color color I want white. Background color I want light blue. Okay, then I want border radius 10 pixels, not 10%. Okay, so let us do that. First of all, give name of the first name, then last name, then email, then message. Okay, now I'm gonna submit it. It is loading. Now it is showing thanks, the form was submitted successfully. So some of people ask that how to remove the like when you click on this submit the forms prepare show. So there is a way you can remove this. You have to use Ajax. Okay, so uh, if you want to know that how to do this, let me know in comment section, so I will make another video how to use it. So yes, this is it. So if you like this video, please like this. I don't know what I'm saying. So, and if you find this informative, please share with your fellow friends and do subscribe if you are new, and also follow my other channel. I didn't post any video on that. It's a gaming channel and also Hindi commentary. So I'm thinking of like planning of posting some videos. So subscribe that channel also. So that's it for today, guys. Hope you like it.